Hello everyone. In today's sessions we are going to see how to use the predefined text in SAP Business One. Let's consider I am the sales user and I am creating the sales order, and during the sales order creations, if suppose I want to maintain some closing remark on the documents, so I'm going to the opening and closing remark, and I need to mention the some terms and condition which I have on the sales order and which is getting repeated on every order. So I need to copy all those information in somewhere, and I every time I need to copy and paste over here. Okay, so instead of doing this one, if suppose this particular information I already have it on the SAP, then it is more easy to access and easy to insert on the closing remark. So how we can do that one? SAP already provided us the some mostly useful utilities and features like as a predefined text. So let's consider, go to the administration setups and go to the general and go to the predefined text. I'm defining here some predefined text which I already have it for general. Suppose I'm pasting this information here. Okay, I'm adding this information. Once I added this information and go to the our closing remark, and I click to the insert predefined text, then I have the list of the predefined text. I just select this text code and everything will be available on the remarks. I not need to type anything on this one. Hope you understood this one and enjoyed this video. Thanking you. If you like this one, please subscribe